From. Welcome back to Cool Rides in New England. Today we're looking at video number 4 from Autex Mazda car show. We've got, I think, 3 more videos after this one is done for Autex. After this one, we will be moving on to a different show in the next couple of days because we are now done with the Stowe Antique and Classic Car Show. Please stay tuned for the new videos, and we hope you enjoy this one. As always, please share this with your friends, like the video, and also subscribe to our channel. Starting this video off with a I'm not sure exactly the year on it, but it's Austin Morris Minor, and this is a drag car. I remember the owner talking about how, being that it's such a short wheelbase and so light, it's great platform for a drag car. Here we have a nice little Ford/Mac rat rod would be my best guess on it. I do like the stacks there. Nice original overall looking truck. Definitely it's had some tweaks with this Mac hood or grill shell. Great looking truck though, really nice looking truck. And we got another rat rod. Great looking. I do like all the license plates they use for the visor. Now we're looking at a 40 Ford Coupe. This one is from Frank's Garage. Really nice looking original interior. Love the matte black paint. Great looking Ford Coupe. Here we have a 40 Plymouth P10. Love the pinstriping work on this car. It's really great. Much needed interior upgrade to make this car actually comfortable. It's nice paint, nice little engine it's got sitting in there. I always love the front ends on these Plymouths. 55 Chevy pickup street rod. Very nicely done. I'll call it a resto mod, or it's definitely a street rod. Check out the flake in the paint. I love the artwork on the tonneau cover. Very cool. And you get to see the interior from the driver's side. Again, great looking truck. And now we're looking at a 31 Ford street rod. Again, pinstriping, amazing. This car happens to be for sale. You might want to call that number if you're looking for a street rod. I do not know how much they were asking, but the car, at least back in August, was for sale. I love those seats. Love the fabric on there. Very, very cool. Here's a 29 Ford Delivery. Great paint on this car. And this interior, awesome. That's all the way up the sides and in the back as well. 1932 Ford Coupe. Love suicide doors, love the interior. Wasn't much about this car that wasn't worth loving. The steering wheel was cool. The side pipes. Love the wide white tires there. Great looking. Now we're on to a 35 Hudson Terraplane Coupe. Gorgeous interior. Looks like it's got a blower on there. Didn't get to see that. I didn't look in there as much as I should have. Let's see. 31 Ford 4-door sedan. I'm sorry, this is a Chevy. 31 Chevy 4-door sedan. Great looking Chevy too. '31 Ford Rat Rod Hot Rod. Flathead inline 8. Not much to the interior, but really cool looking. Same thing with the bed, but it's there. Very cool. We're looking at another rat rod. This one I have no idea what it's made from and of, so you guys have any hints, feel free to comment and educate me. I do love the slanted grill on that. Very, very cool. 62 Ford Fairlane 500. Car looks pretty original. Very cool looking Ford Fairlane. Right. This is going to be, I'm going to say late, mid 80s, C10. It's been lowered. You can see it's got the Vortec, probably the 5.3 Vortec engine in there. Great green paint. Love the grill on it. Wheels were really cool. It's got the great stance, and I love the shaped bumper. Great looking street rod. And we're looking at another 62 Ford Fairlane. This is a 2-door, and it is definitely, I'm gonna guess, originally made for drag racing. Very minimalistic in the interior, very minimalistic on the exterior. Just the way you want your quote-unquote sleepers to look. Great looking Fairlane. 72 Buick Centurion convertible. Interesting paint on it. Definitely, I would say hand-done job. But you know, hey, doesn't matter what looks on the exterior. You know, if you have fun with the car, it's the only thing that matters. And when you've got a 455 4-barrel under the hood, you can have all the fun you want. Nice looking Buick. 78 Trans Am. Love the Firebird on the front, on the hood there. Automatic car. Love the honeycomb wheels on this as well. Beautiful TA. And I love that it's a T-top car as well. It's Ford Fairlane. We're going to hear a little bit more about it from the owner.
So it's actually a 312. If you look at your deep dish, that's the first year they come out with that in '56 for chest.
Oh yeah, okay, that makes sense. Beautiful. Well, thank you for preserving them, because
not a problem. Like I say, I own a boat.
Now we're looking at a Mazda Miata. This car, released from the plate, was sold here at Autex Mazda. Very cool purple paint on that. I do like that a lot. 67 Buick Skylark. It's a 2-door. I love that steering wheel. Very, very, very odd but cool. Great looking car. '81 Cadillac Coupe de Ville. This is, as it says there, a Survivor mod. We've done a lot of work to this car. Let's see what it says. It's a 52,000 mile original car, but it's got Impala parts in it. It's got a Silverado 6-liter engine in it. It's got some intake parts from a lease package 2013 Caprice. It's got the transmission's been updated, but it's a two-owner, 52,000 original miles, original paint, original everything car. So kind of cool that someone's taken the original car and put a lot of time and money into making it cool in theirs. And now we're looking at an 86 Pontiac Trans Am. T-tops. I love this particular body style. I'm a huge fan of the F-bodies. Great looking Trans Am. 59 Chevy Apache 3600, as it says right there. Beautiful restoration job on this car, or this truck. Interior is great, exterior is great. Nothing at all to complain about. Even love the rims on it. There's my all-time favorite, wood beds. It's a great looking truck. I don't know what you call that color, but I don't know, gunmetal gray, but it really does this body style justice. It's great. We go from a 59 Chevy right there to a 51. Love the chrome on the front there. Really makes this car pop. Nice valve covers. The red paint on this is again really nice, and you'll notice in just a second it says Carpe Diem here, and you'll notice that delivery, Ford delivery earlier in the video, also in the video is that as well. So, and now we've gone to a 70 Chevelle SS 396. White with black stripes and the black vinyl top, really nice looking. Looks like a 4-speed car. And there's that 396. Gorgeous looking right there. Final car for this video, 1986 Buick Grand National. You see, it is a turbo, and I've said before, this was the fastest production car back in '87, faster than Ferraris, Lamborghinis. It was really quick, and it's only a turbo 6. Great looking Grand National. Thank you for watching this 4th video of the Autex Mazda car show. I hope you enjoyed some of the cars in there, and as always, please like and share this with all of your friends, families, neighbors, strangers, whoever you can. We'd greatly appreciate it if you did. Also, we'd love to get more subscribers to the channel, and as always, we are on all sorts of social media: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Got a blog going. We have stuff on Pinterest, Stumbled Upon. If you're not familiar with that, stumbleupon.com. It's kind of a cool new little platform to promote stuff, so check that out as well. And we hope that you have a day, and hopefully it's a good one. Take care.